Aloha and a warm welcome to my viewers, my songwriters and beloved free players, to a transformative exploration of the throat chakra. So it's called the Vishuddha chakra, focusing on the power of communication and creativity, like pretty all chakras. Anyway, our key points I want to cover and share with you for today is the spiritual essence of the Vishuddha throat chakra, located at the level of the throat. Its color is sky blue and the element is ether, and the organs are the thyroid and the vocal cords. And the primary function of it's the facilitating and communication and nurturing creativity. So the themes are language, truth, sound, and creative expression. That's a bummer because there we have a lot of themes or ideas for being creative, to create our own song, to empower our communication. If we can't say anything loud, we can talk through our instrument, the ukulele, the guitar, the handpan, the flute, whatever is your favorite instrument. So this chakra is resonating with our inner truth and clarity and the authentic self-expression. So it represents a gateway between our inner thoughts and outer expression, and that's so meaningful to create songs, because especially this chakra is talking from inside to outside through our beloved instrument. So the key in which is the chakra vibrating is G. So let's grab a G chord. In this case, the G major. Or if it would be a baritone ukulele, it would be played like this. Think away the bass strings, and if it would be a standard ukulele, it would be like this, but in this case it is a D. Anyway, so if you want to play a song or create a medicine song for your throat chakra, or you want to express communication and creativity, or care for your throat and thyroid or vocal cords, or bring up clarity to life, play in G. Anyway, if it's major or minor, it depends on your mood. Or minor chord. Play whatever turns out into your mind, whatever you want to play along. So I was playing also some elements of the G major scale. So try to involve the G major chord, the and try to express yourself. So if you want to have those chord box shapes and the scale shapes, you can download it on my Patreon membership site. All links are underneath this video. Or if you want to play in the special frequency of your throat chakra, after Hans Custos, the cosmic octave, it's a C sharp in the frequency of 141.27 hertz, known as the Mercury Tone. So it enhances intelligent and clear communication and also open the pathway for artistic exploration and in music and lyrics with profound meaning of authenticity. So you can strum or you can tune each string in this frequency 141.27 hertz and strum without grabbing any chord and play it like a monochord and just heal yourself through vibrating. Otherwise, you can just play those two chords, the G major or G minor. Or pick and build the scale inside and create and let your feelings grow and open your throat, your heart, and enjoy what you are doing. So I hope that helped you a little bit for inspiration and getting your own medicine song done and create things with easy, tiny purposes and atmosphere or healing aspects to create your own song. So I will go the next time the last two chakras, and then we can talk about further detail how to be more creative in doing your own song with a special scheme. Or we can do a workshop together and I show you up how it works out perfectly. Otherwise, I'm creating a course about that special content where you can grow in producing your own medicine song. So I hope you enjoyed that tiny tutorial a little bit and I hope to see you for the next one. Love you. See you soon. Doña.